Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy, and I'm with the next letter of OO today. So let's see the OO letter practice, and hope all of you are practicing it every day and trying to get the best out of this practices. Yes? Okay, here we go with the before letter, that is OO, the first OO, what we have practiced in the last video. So very simple. It's number 3 and a sleeping line across it. This makes O, the first O, right? Now let's see the next letter, that the letter of the day is O. O. This is almost same like the first O only. That is number 3. And you have a small curve or a hook from between, and then a sleeping line. Let's do it again. You have number 3, write number 3, a small hook from between, and a sleeping line. How do we do it? Let's do it at another time. Number 3, a small hook from between, a sleeping line above it. It is oo. You have to have the difference in the pronunciation of oo and oo. This is buddy oo. It is called buddy oo. Yes. Now let's see the words which are beginning with the letter oo. Oo say oon. Oon is wool. The ones, the thread kind of thing by which the sweaters we wear in the winter is made of. It is called wool and it is oon. Oon in Hindi. So this is oo say oon. The next word is oo say oont. Oont is the camel, the desert animal. The camel, that is oont. Oo say oont. The next one is oo say upper. Upper is up. You have the roof upper, above or up, is oo say upper. So what are the 3 words? Oo say oon, oo say oont, oo say upper. Yes. So these are the 3 words which are starting with the letter oo, the buddy oo. Okay. And let's get into the tip of the day. That is, I'm going to share you in next coming 3 videos. That first, parents, this is for you, the first important 9 minutes of your child for every day. So the first 3 minutes is when they wake up, which is very, very important for your child, which will have an impact for the rest of the day. That is, instead of waking them in a hurry and saying that, come on, get up, it's already late and you have to rush for the school or whatever the works you have. So take it in another way where, you have to make them wake up on time, and you have to, first of all, to come into this practice, you have to maintain a routine. After that, you can just, once before they are waking up, you can just talk to them saying, let's lay and wake up together for 3 minutes. And then I love starting my day with snuggles with you. Just give a happy hug and say that, have a great day, my child. So let them also wish you, mama, have a great day with you, a great day. So that means a lot to them. And you can even talk to them. What are they looking for looking forward for the day? So what are they going to expect, or what are they wanted to do to that day? You can talk to them a bit, not much time. You can just talk to them for a little while also, but it makes a lot of difference for them. Hope this works. And for the next 2 more 3 minutes, which are very important, keep watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel so that you get all the updates on whatever we are giving with the letters. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video of next letter.